Now we'll see math object functions. Okay, now I'll be writing in the body part everything. So in the script part, HTML, body, and this I'll write it as a script part. Script part. In the script part, I'm going to mention everything. Okay. Here, what I'll do, I'll be representing, I'll be displaying the direct content in the web page. So document.write, I'll give math dot, I'll be extracting from math object sqrt. Under this, I'm going to write 400. That's it. And I'll give semicolon. Now we will see whether it will be executing or not. So I'll save it as math object.html. Save it as all files and save the code. Go back to this. You can check it out. Math object, somewhere it will be stored. Okay, here it is math object, execute it. Go to this particular function. Now we have the value was 20. Okay, now what I'll write it here. Square root of 400 is colon plus. Now after that directly plus colon br slash. Now save the same thing you have to write it for your absolute. The same thing you have to write it for absolute cell. Cell in the sense seal, like it will be round off the number. Suppose if you have 10.3, it will be rounded to 11. Suppose if you have a floor, it is 10.3, it will be decreased. Okay. So the same way what I'll write it here, absolute value of 30.5. Here I'll make use of AB. Yes, I'll here make use of 30.5. That's it. Okay. Now I'll be making use of ceil. CEIL of 60.2. Here I'll make use of math. Ceil, CEIL, I'll be making use of 60.2. Okay. Now I'll be making use of floor. Floor of same, you can check it out, 60.2. Here I'll make use of floor value. Floor, I'll be making use of 60.2. So now you'll get to know what is the difference between floor value and your ceil value. So now again make use of log of num. Log of 30. So math dot log, I'll specify 400 it is. Now again document. So directly I'll go paste in the data. So again I have power of 2, 3. Power of 2, 3 is. Now I'll let you know what is 2 power of 3 is. So whenever we have a power, we have to pass 2 parameters. So I'll be passing 2 to the 2, 3. Now we have minimum and maximum values. So I'll specify document dot minimum value of 6 comma 9 is, here you have to specify min, and here you have to specify 6 comma 9. Okay, now I'll specify maximum value is in that 6 comma 9 itself. Here I'll specify max, the same 6 comma 9 I'll pass. Now in this again I'm going to specify sine cos theta. So sine of 20 is, so I'll specify sine. So I'll specify here 20. The same way you can make use of cos and tan. Sine is done. Now I'm going to make use for cos, the same for tan. Okay, here I'll change it. Cos, I'll change it to tan. Now I'll save it as a math object completely. I'll go back to the document here and I'll refresh now. Oh, somewhere went wrong, something.
So double quotes before break.
Here you can notice value of 180. The absolute value of 30.55 is the same value of 6.2 is the same one is counted, and small value of 60.2 is 60. The low value of 30 is the value here. The power of 2 to 3 is between 2 into 2 is 8. Minimum value is 6, maximum value is 999, between number value also value is Yes, they have some known methods, but these are the methods that have given you like these are the methods how can we use also how can we use also these predefined methods. This is what we are Is it clear for everyone? Yes, this is clear.
Your voice is echoing.
Is it clear now?
No,
No, sir.
Okay, fine. This lot of here and we'll attend in the next class.